best and easiest way to create a professional WordPress website. This is going to be a tutorial that is straight to the point and step by step, so you can easily follow along and you'll have your own WordPress website ready by the end of this video. And you don't need any prior knowledge of WordPress or building websites. This video is designed for complete beginners. I will guide you through every single step and will make sure to not skip anything along the way. We also won't need to write any code to create our website because we will be using a visual page builder called Elementor. Elementor is the most popular page builder for WordPress, allowing us to design our website using a drag and drop visual editor. We'll be using a free theme and only free plugins, so the only thing we have to pay for is hosting. And I'll show you how to get the best hosting for WordPress for as low as $3 per month. I'll also show you how to get access to hundreds of professionally designed website templates that are fully customizable and mobile friendly. So let's get started. Alright, now the first thing we need to understand is that there are actually two versions of WordPress. And we absolutely have to understand the difference between these two so we don't make the mistake of choosing the wrong platform, which will just end up losing us a lot of time and money. So when we type in WordPress on Google, then two websites come up at the top. There's WordPress.com and there's WordPress.org. So what's the difference? Here on WordPress.org, this is basically the website where you can download the free open source software called WordPress that you can use to create your WordPress website. You can just come to WordPress.org, scroll down, click on Discover WordPress, then click on Download WordPress, and then here you can download that software for free, install it on a server, and then create your WordPress website. So when people talk about that they have used WordPress to create their website, then they just mean that they have used this open source software that they can download here on WordPress.org for free. So what is WordPress.com? WordPress.com is basically a for-profit company that offers different hosting plans and website builder plans. So here, when we click on plans and pricing, then you can see that they have different plans. They also have a free plan, which is very limited. And then it starts at $4 per month paid annually, and it goes all the way up to $45 per month if you pay annually. And then if you pay monthly, it's going to be more expensive. So here you're going to be pushed into getting a paid plan to get all of the features that you need. So I've played around with WordPress.com as well. And what I figured out is that the premium and the personal plan doesn't really give you the actual WordPress that you want. They give you very limited features and you don't get access to all of the plugins and themes that would be actually free in the WordPress ecosystem. If you want to get access to the most popular themes and plugins, they push you to upgrade to the business plan at $40 per month if you pay monthly. And this is what's very confusing and annoying to a lot of people, because they hear WordPress, they just go to WordPress.com, sign up for a plan, maybe even the free plan, and then they realize that they have to pay $40 per month to even get access to the WordPress ecosystem. And this is why I don't recommend to use WordPress.com to create a WordPress website. There are much more affordable and better options to create a WordPress website, because WordPress is just a free software that anybody can use. The only thing we have to pay for is hosting. And here you get hosting included, but we can get hosting for a much lower price. Hosting simply means that we are renting some space on a server where all of our website files will be stored. That server runs 24/7 and is always connected to the internet so that anybody can visit our website at any time. Alright, so now we are ready to set up our WordPress website. And here you can see an overview of what we're going to do in this video. So first we're going to set up hosting. Again, this is going to be the server where all of our website files will be stored. Then once that's done, we're going to get our website domain, which is going to be the name of your website, something like medixmedia.com or yourname.com, whatever you want. Then we're going to install WordPress on that server that we are renting. This is free, so we're going to install the open source software called WordPress. Then we're going to install a free theme and free plugins to make building our website very easy. And then we're going to learn how to customize our website. So let's go ahead and set up hosting. Now, when we go back to WordPress.org, where we can download the open source software called WordPress, then here we can see a list of all the recommended hosting providers for WordPress. So here they have Bluehost, Hostinger, DreamHost, and WordPress.com. Again, I don't recommend to use WordPress.com. I do understand why they have it on this list is because they are essentially under the same company. So they do have to kind of recommend it here. But I've personally used Bluehost for a while, and I've actually switched to Hostinger a few years ago because it's a lot more affordable, it's better overall, and it's a lot easier to use. So this is the one that I recommend and the one that we're going to be using in this video.